Hello students of class 9. Student, today we have two sessions to understand here. Session number 7 and 8. In 7, as we will understand about copy paste and cut paste. In session 8, we will understand find and replace text. So as doing with the document, with doing the work in MS Word or in any application, we use these features as it is given in the MS Word, or you can find also in other applications. So student, today we will talk about these two options, these two as features of MS Word. Let's start here with the copy and paste, cut and paste. So what is the means of here the copy, paste and cut paste? So we will understand the differences between the copy paste and cut paste in the video. So first of all, I want to tell you here, you copy paste, what is the means here the copy and paste? The copy is a procedure to generate the duplicate file or text, and cut is a procedure to remove, to uh, displace the text or contents or any object from its original place to the another place. So let's have a look of this video by practical way. Student, here we will open the MS Word as click on the start button and select the Microsoft Office Word 2007. As we for creating the new file, we here click and we see here this is our the document, and these here the our tools in clipboard group. As we click here the home tab, we can find this is a cut, copy and paste option is given here. It is a now not activate because we want to activate when we write something on this. Student, as we write here something in the document, automatically these tools or icon will be activated. So for this we will write something here as for doing the copy, paste and cut paste. So let's have a look here as these three icons not activated now, but for the activating we write something and select something, then we can copy, paste and cut paste. So student, as I told you about what is here the copy and paste, as I have stored something for you earlier, so here as I have written something to show the use of copy paste in the document. The student, I think you know about what is the copy and paste here. The as first of all we will select any word, like here as any kind of word we can select here, any word here select, like pleased as I have selected here, and now you can see these two icon have been activated. Okay, so you can see paste is not activated when you click on the cut option. This is a given as a scissor icon. Scissor is for the cut showing, and paste is showing here the as a document, double document or page, it is showing here. You can see, so when you click on the cut, so automatically it will be removed from that place, it will be as disappear from that place. And when you copy, then it will be moved from original place to the new place. So let's see here, as we cut here, automatically you can see here it is now disappeared. And when you paste, so as paste is now activated, you can see on the screen paste, and first of all place your cursor or mouse pointer where you want to paste that. So now click on the paste here. As you can see here, cut now it is a deactivate and now paste is activated. So as you click on this, so now that word will be replaced from its original place. So as you clicking again and again, automatically that word will automatically one by one you can paste and paste. So this way, student, we can do here the procedure of the cut and paste. Cut and paste, as I told you, if it is a depend on you how many times you want to as a paste. Now first we will as a clear here, and then we replace its original place here, and there was a we are pleased to teach you. So here it is a suitable point here where we paste here again. So now we can see our word here. Now we do here the paste as a word, paste as a character, paste as a such a any element. So first of all select and then copy here. To copy it, generate the duplicate file, not to let the displace, okay, that word. It means you can generate that thing again and again. Now paste it. It depends on you how many times you want to paste. You can paste again and again according to your needs, and it depends on your needs. The student, this way we can use here the copy and paste, cut and paste. So I, as I showed you here, the differences between the cut and paste and copy and paste. So student, this way you can see here, okay, this was the procedure to copy, cut and paste. So now student, let's about talk here the clipboard options. What is the use of the clipboard? Clipboard, as a click to whatever you have copied and pasted now, here it create the or generate the temporary file of your procedure of your work. Here means it is generate the background file whatever you do the work, okay. So behind of this we find here the clipboard, and clipboard is such a file, such a here the group where it stores your temporary work, means whatever you do on the document, in your document. So as we cut, paste, copy, paste, and now and write something, so it stores the all the procedure, all your action one by one in a clipboard. The student, as we can use here the shortcut key for the copy paste, control plus C for copy, control V for paste, control X for cut. So as you know, this is a as a copy paste here. So student, as I told you here, the shortcut key for copy paste, control C, as I told you, it is related to the copy. You can use by your keyboard also, and paste for control V for paste, you can do this also by your keyboard with the combination of these key control CTRL that is given in the keyboard. You can pressing with the V paste and pressing with the as a C as a copy, and pressing with the X, control plus X, it will let you to cut your matter or object in the documents. So I think you understood all things what I tried my best to tell you here. So now let's see next session about find and replace option. Student, here we have the option, and for the video find and replace, because you can understand properly and thoroughly everything what is given in your book. As you know ki the 80% or you can say approximately 70% is given for the practical. The practical is very important to understand all the things or the topic one by one. That's why I try my best to tell you all things in practical way, because I want to make you understand everything properly and thoroughly. So here is a given find and replace options. So as you know कि sometimes after typing the entire document you want to substitute a particular word with another word, so you can do these substitutions by using the find and replace dialog box. To perform here the following steps to replace the desired text in your document, replace your desired text the here as a given the such options in the document for replace. So as before doing the work, we can here click as on the home tab, and we find here the find option in the left right side corner, find and replace. Click on the find here, we will get here the find replace dialog box. And now what do you want to find here? Find what you will write. As I want to find here the India, where we I have written here, the where I have written the India, it will find for you here the as India. And now click on the find and highlight also the as a click, automatically it will tell you where you have written that word in your document. And you can more highlight as a reading, as a related to the reading here. To find next, it will tell you one by one step ki where you have written such a word in your document. So here it is telling about here. And now it when will it complete the process to find, then it will tell to the completion of the finding here. So this way we can again here replace, and if you want to replace with that word, we can use here the replace all. Like here we want to as a replace with the Bharat, the we write here the India, find India and the Bharat. So what will you do? As we write here the find what. Find what means as you can see on the screen as given here ki India is our the starting word, that was the India. Okay, and now we want to get with that, replace with that as a Bharat. So what we will write, find and find what box, in that box we will write here the India. And then after we write here as a Bharat. So we want to replace with that the Bharat India. So replace with, right here the Bharat, and click on here the replace option. It will replace one by one, and replace all, it will replace in entire document at the same time. So this way we can use here the replace all option for changing in entire document, replacing with that word in entire document. The student, as I think you understand well, now more understand about how can we search, I mean how can we find more with another way, replace with another way, means there are the given the some settings in the document. This facility we can use here. So let's have a look again next. Now we can click on here the search as a replace, as replace here the option is given the below side here. So we find here as a format, by the format we can as a find here search by all here the given, as a match the case by the case, as a sort means capital case, or in a small case we can find if you have written as a Bharat in a capital letter or small letter. So we find here the small letter. So now we can see here in the this case, so no, you can't find this case because it is not written in this case, mean it is not written in a small case. That's why it is not able to tell you it is written in a this case. And now if we uncheck this box, so what happened if we find about this, so uncheck it. And now this we find after that. So we click here the find next, so it will tell you, because this is not here now case sensitive. When you make as a match the case, then it will be as a case sensitive. And now find next here, so it is not here, it is now find out here BHA. It will tell you here ki where you have written. So here, okay, not only by the word but by character you can find here. And now next we find whole words only, whole words. If you want to as a BHA only you have written, then automatically the whole word is starting with the BHA, it will tell you here this way. Okay, and if you here as it is telling here key word has finished this work, now use the wildcards. Wildcard is like a star sign and question mark. So as starting with the BHA, it will tell you such a words as starting with the asterisk sign. Using the asterisk sign, it will tell you or not, as a you know ki wildcard using with the asterisk sign. Asterisk sign, it is a star sign. Using with that, click on that, yes, it will tell you here where you have written such a kind of word or character. So while using the wildcards also, you can using the star symbol here. And now as sound wise also you can find is starting with the sound wise as vowels and consonants side like you can find like that also here. The sound like you will write as his this word such like this word as a name of the person. You can starting with this. Okay, this will tell you ki this is written here such a word which tell you here ki this word is starting with the sound means that is called the homophones. So it will tell you also like that word here. And now here find the all words from the English here like related to the such a word as a report. Okay, so it will tell you or not. So here it will tell you the report. So this way we can find the whole word means all words from English. And you can see here it now it is this way we can find by the find all words. Now by the formattings means prefix and suffix. As you know, prefix is starting with the word, so that is the character that is the prefix, and suffix the end of the word. So by the matching the prefix like starting with the f, how many words are there starting with the f we can find here by here the prefix here. And same as a suffix as it will tell the last of the word any character you can find. Ignore as a punctuation characters, ignore while the space characters you can find by checking this marks here. We can find also by the format here. You can see here the format option is given by font style, paragraph, tabs, language you can find. So now here the font as we find written in a Arial. If it is written in any word with Arial font, so also it will tell you. So like as any word we can take here as like here we find the as a word any kind of word we can write here was it will tell you or not. It is not telling because any word not in written in this font. As I have written as a here the different using the font, so that's why it is not able to tell you. So that's I written here the Cooper Black as written. So click on the OK and find next. Now it is telling here the Cooper Black. So this way you can find with the other features of the as a given here language style, highlights, paragraph. This way you can find the all the features. I think student, I hope you understood all things what I tried my best to tell you here. So I hope you will like this video. And I think you will get the good things from this video. Okay student, thank you for watching this video.